Hey, what's happening? What's going on? Today, I made $982 of profit in this morning session. Here's how. Happy Monday, June 27th. I can't believe that June is almost over. I feel like I say that basically every day now, but it's just because time is moving quickly. Hope you had a great weekend. We're opening up above Friday's value area high. Had a nice little rip past couple days. Big rips across the board. If we get back below 12,100, really the magical 80s, expecting a rotation down to 950. We'll see if that happens. As of right now, we are still technically holding the bigger trend. Short-term trend is down. I'm going to be patient these first couple minutes. See what happens. All right. Move to the downside so far. Short-term trend still pretty much holding. Taking a quick little stab here along off of the 75 test as we approach value area low or value area high from yesterday. Excuse me. I mean, this is going kind of crazy. Makes me want to pull it up way more, but a little bit of sellers trying to come through. I got to do it. There's too much buyers here. Looks too good. So I went ahead and pulled it up. Back up to volume at, 110 or so. And we're out. 430 on that trade. We'll take it. Just bouncing off yesterday's value area high. Nice support there. Obviously, then we built a ton of volume at 80 as well. Took about 5 points of drawdown there on that 20 or so point trade. And yeah, it's pushing nicely. I wouldn't be shocked to see us go trade 150. Drop some little bags there for the first trade of the week. It was an enjoyable trade. Not too stressful. Delta paved the way there. It made sense. We had a big delta divergence paired with yesterday's value area high being a support and the overnight lows being support as well. Overall, definitely enjoy that type of trade. Second retest of this, I don't like. I think we flush it at this point, I'm a first test, best test kind of guy. 950 value area low from Friday. Kind of feels like that's the expectation of this move at this point. We've only sold off so far, so I kind of would like to see a little bit of a relief rally for the continued move down to 950, but doesn't mean it needs to happen or has to happen, obviously. Nice push here out at 1220, 40 points up, almost 50 points up. So this is the retest of value area high. This is actually kind of an interesting spot here. I don't know if I fully trust it to get short here. I mean, this is a decently good rip. I really want to take shorts right here, but I'm clearly, and if not clearly, I'll tell you, I'm very spooked about taking shorts here. So it's a new 5-minute candle. I'd like to see us potentially push like 75 again and then flush. We'll see. I like the shorts here. I've liked the shorts for a while. I just didn't trust this whole move and ended up, ripping another 40 points up. I'm gonna take the short here. ES is at top of the range. NAS pushing into volume. I like the rotation to the downside. Pretty much every big move recently has been eaten up or retraced somehow. All right. It's a 15-point slap. Just looking for a little more if we can get below volume here. ES rejecting value area high. So that's playing out like we wanted it to, thought it would. 2 minutes left on this candle. So far holding 55 volume. Looking for this flush though. It looks like it's trying to come. I'm looking at the volume well here as an exit, 36.75. Seems to be fairly safe in my opinion, which is kind of what I'm looking for. More of like a safe exit. It's also value area low on the day. ES flipping red, pushing into point of control. NAS flipping red as well. And getting very close. Okay, that like basically was a tick away. I just went ahead and killed that trade. Y'all know me. I do not want to be a dick for a tick. That literally was like a tick away from filling me out, and then there we go. It ended up pushing, but that always spooks me, man. That was a good trade, my opinion. Again, the reason we took that trade. NAS pushed up to value area high. ES pushed to value area high. NAS was pushing into volume, and we've been rotating off of all of that so far today, so I just took the trade short. We're at $990 on the day, 982. Very dangerous spot to be in. Do you go for the extra $18? You're looking for 1 point. It's so simple. 1 point, 1 point only. And somehow, as soon as you get into the trade, it yanks 50 points on you, and all of a sudden you're negative on the day. We've all been there.